President Bongbong Marcos on Independence Day says that freedom must be defended and upheld, warning that its greatest enemy is apathy toward national issues. In his speech on Thursday, June 12, Marcos pays tribute to the nation's forefathers who fought for freedom. Marcos says that freedom and democracy must be nurtured, protected, and fought for.
Ngunit, ang kalayaan at ang demokrasya, tulad ng pag-ibig sa tinubuang lupa, kailangang inaalagaan, binabantayan, at ipinaglalaban. Dahil ang totoong kalaban ng kalayaan ay ang pagiging manhid. Manhid sa hinain ng taong bayan, manhid sa kalagayan ng ating kapwa, manhid sa kapanganan ng ating bansa.
Marcos also urges all government officials not to take the public's trust for granted. He says those who abuse their power and fail to fulfill their duty as public servants should be held accountable.
Tayong mga kagawad ng pamahalaan, mga tagapagmana ng kalayaan, huwag nating sayangin ang pagkakataon at tiwalang ipinagkaloob sa atin. Pananagutan, yan ang sigaw ng sambayanan. Mula sa sirang tulay, kalsada, mahal na pagkain, kakulangan ng kuryente, ang nais ng taong bayan ay tunay na pagkilos at na pagserbisyo. Pananagutan natin hindi lang ang mga umaabuso sa tungkulin, maging ang mga nagkukulang sa paglilingkod.
Marcos says that fake news and misinformation can erase one's way of life, culture, and value system. He then calls on Filipinos to always choose honesty, even when no one is watching, and to take a stand, especially when wrongdoing occurs. Marcos led the celebration of the 127th anniversary of Philippine independence in a ceremony held at Rizal Park.